Okay everyone, let's continue on how I nearly 5x'd my revenue in a 12-month period, right? The step 1, follow the recipe. Step 2, the business plan. Now follow my YouTube link to have the detailed business plan. It's too long to go through here, but it's got step by step by step in the link in the comment section. Right, business plan, didn't write up here. This is the business plan. Now, like I said, follow the YouTube link for the step-by-step detail on how to do it. But in your business plan, it gives you a plan of action, but it actually does a lot more than that. It defines a lot of things for you and makes everything a lot clearer too. All right, so in your business plan, what you first need to do is set a clear purpose. Why you do what you do for your customer, right? Why you do what you do for your customer. And once you've defined that, you're going to have more meaning, more purpose, more motivation, right? Because you're helping people. So it's going to make you, when times are hard, it's going to make you still want to turn up, right? Because you are doing this for your customer. That leads us on to, what are you doing for your customer? Meaning, what problem are you solving for your customer? And remember, I have said this a lot of times. The bigger the problem, the more you can probably charge, right? And people buy solutions, right? So you want to be solving a problem, not trying to sell ice to an Eskimo. So that's really important. So why do you do what you do for your customer? What problem are you solving for them? Now, once you have that, your clear purpose, who is your ideal customer? So I love it when people join us and they say everyone is their customer. It's like the Taylor Swift song, a friend to all is a friend to none. Same in business. If everyone is your customer, it's actually mathematically not possible, and I'll show you why soon. So what we've learned up here is, what problem are we solving? So who has these problems? I'm actually going to come down to a section down here. So who has these problems? Now remember, we are all so different. So that's why it is mathematically impossible for everyone to be your customer, because we all don't have the same problems. So it's just not possible. So who has these problems that you've worked out that you're solving here? Now, once you've worked that out, be so specific. Where do they hang out physically, like the gym, the library, and where do they hang out socially? Like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, so on and so forth. Or they might not hang out online at all. All those things you need to know. Then really specific, as much as possible. I'm just giving you examples. Gender, age, location, job, dog lover, dog hater, whatever. So gym buff, whatever. Just write down as much as you can, and your marketing team are going to love you. They are going to love you because they know who to market to. And if you've got a marketing team and you've told them everyone is your customer and they don't challenge you on that, you might want to challenge them to look for a new marketing team, because they should know you are selling a solution and we're not all the same. So we don't have the same problems. Okay, what else will also love you is your profits. Now, everything touches finance, right? Everything. So if you are marketing to the wrong people, i.e. everyone, you are spending dollars in the wrong area. So your marketing budget, you could have the same marketing budget but funnel it to the right people. So then you're going to increase your revenue, right? Or you could just reduce your marketing budget and just funnel it to the right people. Okay, so that's it. Define your customer. They're not everyone. Now, I love this one. I love all of it. 3 main key characteristics. This is giving your company a personality. And once you've defined the 3, why 3? The human brain can remember 3 things generally without memory tricks. So let's work with the human brain, because it's important that everyone knows these. So this is making your company have a personality, right? And HR will love you on this, because you will employ staff that align with the company's personality. They have those personality traits too. You will work with customers that align with your personality, because you might find a customer that has the problem you're solving, but not the personality you want to work with, and it won't work. It will go pear-shaped and they'll probably give you a bad referral, and you didn't even deserve it because you're not working with people that you are aligned with, and you're recruiting the wrong people that aren't aligned to your company's personality. Okay, value proposition, love this one too. I find when when I find business owners do a value proposition, they feel really, because it's so specific and so defined, they feel justified in charging more because they've really defined the benefit and the problem and who their customer is, and they go, gosh, I'm actually doing something really worthwhile. So what does your value proposition do? It's a clear sentence outlining who are your customers, what is their problem, the benefits they will get if they come to you, and then close the sale. All right. Now, the next one, company and personal vision and goals. We do cover the goals because it's so important in the next subsequent video, right? But this is working out what are your 5-year, 12-year goals, right? For the company and you personally. Then we look at opportunities and vulnerabilities. Now, the key is with this one, opportunities are low-hanging fruit. They are easy to get. Give them to someone else. Now, us humans love success and easy wins. So we go, oh, the opportunities, and we take them for ourselves, the business owner. The business owner needs to tackle the vulnerabilities, the big, hairy, ugly ones. And I love Alex Hormozi's saying, if you avoid everything that will put you out of business, like the plague, by definition, you'll never go out of business. Probably messed that up a bit too, but you get what I'm saying. If you avoid everything that will put you out of business, you can't go out of business. So focus on the 3 biggest things that will put you out of business, that will kill your business the fastest. You work on those, give those to someone else. This is called a business plan for a reason. Business plan, okay, business plan. So we're going to create a plan of action and set some goals around them. Set some goals around them with time frames, people's names assigned them, accountability. This is, if you watch the YouTube video, you get a free template in there to follow, and then I'm going on to goals and accountability next. But step 1, follow the recipe. Step 2, you need a plan. Remember, hopping in the car, putting on the sat nav without a direction, you're gonna go all over the place. So if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Know your numbers, grow your business.